We're beachside again, pool home, completely renovated for $650. Let's see what we've got here. Come along. All right, I'm gonna start out here. Can I tell you how much I love the fact that you don't have to mow this yard? Well, let me tell you, I'm pretty excited. So I just did the walkthrough on this house so I could get this. And I really like what this guy's done to this house. Not sure I need a fireplace, but it's pretty. Here's your dining room, which we kind of hardly use, but look at all this deck room back here for the pool. And look at I must have turned something on because I wasn't on before. But take a look at and it's got a little table in the pool. This is a really nice house. I did a video a while back for $500,000 on the beach. This is $650, and I mean, literally bring your toothbrush to this one. This is the master. I like what they did in here too. Double sinks, groovy shower, nice finishes. It's your toilet room. Okay, lacking a little bit for the closet, but that's okay. Barn door on the kitchen to close that out when you're eating. Cool idea. The finishes are kind of cool. I'm assuming your laundry room. Nope. This right here is your pantry. Good size pantry. So your fixtures are Delta. He's going to leave you everything. This almost is like the floor plan. It's a pretty popular floor plan. Got a sitting room here. 3 bedrooms back here. Here's the guest bath, or the second bath. These are good sized rooms. So this is a pretty standard floor plan out here beachside. I like this area back here so much I decided to come out and get some of this. I like the way they did these screens on this side of the house. I don't know what they're blocking out. Kind of don't care. The privacy involved is really cool. I like this pool. Seems to be in pretty good condition. This is a great backyard. This is a nice street, actually. I probably don't have much for back neighbors. This guy was serious about his screening.